Hello guys, you don't see me today. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make the video because I'm really tired. So what I did instead is that I wrote the correction on my computer. So for the two classes, CMP251 and CMP150, what you have to do, you have the correction here. I know there is a problem with the exercise. There is a mistake in the book. No problem. I am giving you some options in order to avoid falling into that problem. I'm giving you also the formulas you have to write. I'm giving them to you in French and I want you to translate them. Easy. The arguments don't change. It's on, except for the semicolon, it becomes a comma, and the name of the function that changes. Okay, and I'm giving them to you here. Then for the same hands-on exercise 3, I'm giving you also the correction. So you have the translation over here, and of course you have them in the book. Now for the homework that you have for next session, not this one. For this one, you just look at the correction and you try to correct whatever mistake you have. And for next session, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the end of the chapter. At the end of the whole chapter, you're going to have some exercises. And I'd like you to do mid-level exercise 1 and 2. I'm giving you the pages. You have some steps, but I'd like you to avoid following the steps. Try to understand what they want and do it on your own. And of course, I'm sending you the correction for the classic cars because they also have a mistake in the cell references where you have to put them. So here you go. I'm also gonna send you under the resources. You're gonna have the data for these two exercises. Be careful, these are to be submitted at the end of the hour, okay guys? So no videos because I'm really too tired, but I'm giving you all the steps you have to do. You just have to go to the courseware, okay? Let me see in here. So, oops. I just put these ones over here, but you don't really need them because I gave them to you in the thingy. And this is how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna take off the apostrophes so that you see the results, but they are in the book. So okay, here it's average if, here it was sum if, and here it's gonna be count if for you. Okay, now be careful. In the book they have some mistakes. Not only one, they have more than one. I'm going to show you where. Do you see here? They told you higher than 1975 and they asked you to put the quotes, which is good. This is some ifs. Okay? Unfortunately, here they didn't ask you to put the quotes. If you don't put the quote, it doesn't work. So please put the quotes. That's why in my explanations last time, I put the formulas with the quotes. When you write greater than or greater or equal than a number, you have to put the quotes. Don't ask me why, because it doesn't make sense, but that's the way the formulas are done. Okay? So here is the mistake in the book. They didn't put the quotes and it doesn't work without the quotes. Okay? What else? The other thing is for model. You see here they asked you to put model in the names, and I told you there is no model here. If you came to the name box, you see there is, I changed it actually to model, but I'm gonna go to the, did I change it here? I changed it everywhere. Oh, did I change it? Yes, I did. I did change it. Okay, anyway, for you, it's gonna be medium. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Formulas. Here, you see I gave you the steps anyway. So here, I went to model, I modified it. It was actually medium. So for you, this is what you're gonna see. medium, okay? And then you close. So here, instead of model, it was medium, okay? So if you want to change it, you just come here, which is in the formulas. You go to name manager, you go to medium, you modify it, you write model, you click OK, you close the dialog box, and then you can use whatever is written in the hands-on, okay? You just select to check that it works. You select model and it works. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna correct, but I can't help myself. Okay guys, I wish you are well. I'm okay, don't you worry for me. It's not coronavirus, I'm sure of it, because I wash my hands with alcohol. I do have some fever, but really it goes up and down. So it's not coronavirus, because for coronavirus, it has to stay at the same level. But I think it's whatever other germs there are in here. Coronavirus is not the only virus around, okay? But don't you worry for me. I'm really fine. So wish you are all well. I'm gonna put this in the resources. You see how I like working with 2 windows? It's a lot easier. So I'm gonna post this in your in the resources, and that's it. I'm not gonna put it in assignments, please guys, because it's a hassle. Well, or I'm gonna write the assignments, just tell you go to the resources. Nah, too much work for right now, and I'm really tired. So I'm gonna put this in the resources and you go and find it. Okay guys, love you guys. I hope you're all doing well. Okay, bye-bye.